Wool. The main source of wool is sheep. Wool is also obtained from animals of the camel family, goats, and even rabbits. The finest wool is obtained from the merino, a breed of sheep from Spain. Merino wool is very soft and light, tightly undulated, and is therefore used in producing the finest woolen clothes. Camel hair is obtained from the very soft and fine fur of the undercoat of the camel. Arabian camels produce less fine hairs, so they are used in making carpets. The Bactrian camels of Siberia, Mongolia, and China give us the best quality wool. They have a thick, long winter coat. The alpaca and llama have very fine, soft and lustrous undercoat hair. Their fibers are hollow, thus making them lightweight. These animals are found in Andes in Peru, Bolivia and Argentina. The Kashmir goat gives us the cashmere fiber. The goats are found in the high plateaus of Asia. The fiber is luxuriously soft, providing great warmth without bulk. The Angora goat is originally from the Angora region in Turkey. The fiber obtained from the Angora goat is called mohair. The wool is durable, light and warm, and is especially preferred for ladies' sweaters, and soft covering for furniture. The Angora rabbit is originally from the Angora region in Turkey. Each rabbit can only provide a small amount of wool, so the expensive fiber is often combined with other fibers. It is very soft and silky, and used to make sweaters, gloves and baby clothes. The fleece of the sheep, along with a thin layer of skin, is removed from its body. This process is called shearing. Hair is removed during the hot weather, and it does not hurt the sheep. The sheared skin with hair is thoroughly washed in tanks to remove grease, dust and dirt. This is called scouring. Then the hairy skin is sent to a factory, where hair of different textures are separated or sorted. Then the fibers are dried. Carding machine combs the loose wool fibers into sheet. The sheet is twisted into a rope called silver, then the silver is stretched and twisted into thin yarn. Temperature scale. Celsius scale. Anders Celsius proposed the Celsius temperature scale, which takes his name. In Celsius scale, the melting point of ice is taken as 0 degrees Celsius, degree centigrade. Body temperature is taken as 37 degrees Celsius. And the boiling point of water as 100 degrees Celsius. And the difference between them is divided into 100 degrees. Fahrenheit scale. Gabriel Fahrenheit invented the first mercury thermometer, and also temperature scale. In Fahrenheit scale, the melting point of ice is taken as 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Body temperature is taken as 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit. And the boiling point of water as 212 degrees Fahrenheit. With the difference between them equal to 180 degrees. Kelvin scale, in honor of Lord Kelvin. In Kelvin scale, the melting point of ice is taken as 273 Kelvin. Body temperature is taken as 310 Kelvin. And the boiling point of water as 373 Kelvin. And the difference between them is divided into 100 degrees. So the Kelvin scale is similar to the Celsius scale. Light travels in straight line. Take 3 cardboards, with a small hole of the same size. Mount each upright on the table. Place another cardboard, without hole at the end. Switch on torchlight. Light travels in straight lines, through 3 holes, and patch of light falls on the last cardboard. Bases. Bases are bitter in taste, and feel soapy on touching. The nature of such substances is said to be basic. Universal indicators. A universal indicator is a pH indicator, composed of a blend of several compounds that exhibits several smooth color. Soil treatment. Excessive use of chemical fertilizers makes the soil acidic. Plants do not grow well when the soil is either too acidic or too basic. Vegetative reproduction in potato. The scars on the potato are also called dyes. Cut a few pieces of a potato, each with an eye, and bury them in the soil. Every piece will give rise to a new plant. Seed dispersal. If all the seeds were to grow under the mother plant, they would fight for sunlight, water, and minerals. Multiplication of a decimal by a whole number. Multiply 21.70 by 15. Perform the multiplication as if we are multiplying two whole numbers, ignoring the decimal point. The multiplicand contains two decimal places. Hence, the product also should contain two decimal places. Construction of an angle equal to a given angle. Use a ruler to draw a ray QR. With O as center and a suitable radius, draw arc X that intersects O with Q as center and radius equal to ON. Draw arc Z that intersects QR at Y with Y as center and radius equal to ON. Draw another arc, join, and extend QP. Now, we have angle PQR. Face, edges and vertices. A three-dimensional object has more than one surface. A cube has 6 faces, 12 edges, and 8 vertices. A cylinder has 3 faces, 2 edges, and no vertices. A triangular pyramid has 4 faces, 6 edges, and 4 vertices. A cone has 2 faces, no edge, and a vertex. A sphere has 1 face, no edges, and no vertices. Use of interrogative pronoun, what? Interrogative pronouns are used to ask questions. The word what is an interrogative pronoun. Active voice and passive voice. Ran killed, Ravana. Here, Ram is the subject, and Ravana is the object. A sentence is said to be